Today I reached the subtle region to offer book to beloved Baba. As I went to the subtle region, I gave love and remembrance of all the brothers and sisters. And while giving the remembrance, Baba was seeing something. And there was a toy in front of Baba, and there was a weighing scale. Baba was looking at it very carefully. I said, Baba, you're looking at that very carefully, so lovingly. So one was the toy and the other was the weighing scale. Baba said this is the last time of the January month. January month is the month of tapasya, peace and happiness, and I was looking at that carefully. In the weighing scale, on one side was natural calamities seen. And on the other side, the destruction was seen. So Baba was seeing both. And Baba said, when the weighing scale was equally stabilized, it will be said good. So Baba was looking at this scene. The same scene is in front of the father and as well as the children. While looking at both the scene, the needle of the weighing scale was upright. Baba was looking at both the scene. We have to make our stage peaceful and happy. And so, Baba said your Brahmin life will become very elevated. Because both the side, it is a little fluctuating. And therefore Baba said, you children have the power. You are the children who will create wonders. You will reveal the Father. And Baba said, while doing everything, you children give the donation of yoga to the whole world. When there will be the stability of the scale, there will be happiness. When the stage of your mind is okay, then the soul will achieve peace and happiness. Baba was very carefully seeing and explaining me the scene. And on the other side there was a swing. In the swing we climb up and come down. Baba said the fluctuation of the worldly people are also like that. Sometimes down and sometimes up. Baba said only when you have a constant stage, there will be the wonder of concentration power, and you have to reveal this in front of the world. You, Baba's children, are in hundreds and thousands. But the power of concentration should be stable. From the beginning till the end, Baba is speaking about concentration. There should be unity. There should be a constant stage. And you children have to follow the Father. I had kept book plate in front of Baba. I gave the love and remembrance of the people who have come from Gujarat. Baba said, Gujarat is Baba's next room of Madhuban. Anything will happen. The wind will blow in Madhuban, and the waves of that wind will first blow to Gujarat, because Gujarat is very close to Madhuban. All kind of blessing will be there for Gujarat, because Gujarat is very close to Madhuban. Gujarat is the heart of Madhuban. Gujarati children are very close to Baba, very close to Madhuban, have a lot of simplicity in them. They are the ones who make their own life and others' life as well. And while looking at those children, Baba becomes very proud of them. And in the mind of minds, Baba becomes very pleased looking at those children. Baba was very sweetly telling about them. Baba was giving drishti and sakash to everyone. I had kept a book plate in front of Baba. Baba accepted the book with a lot of love. Baba is given the love and remembrance of those children who had offered book to Baba. Baba gave love and remembrance to all the children, even the instrument teachers. Baba gave love and remembrance. Our sister Bharti and even other sisters as well. Everybody were emerged in front of Baba. And while emerging everybody, while giving drishti, while giving sakash, while accepting bhog, I took Baba's love and remembrance and came down. Om Shanti.